In this video, I will show you how to add a product comparison table comparing the product specifications via the Affiliate X product comparison block. This is the demo page. Now, let's add the block on our post. From your dashboard, you have to open the post or the page where you want to add the Affiliate X product comparison block. I wish to add the Affiliate X product comparison block into this particular post, so I'm going to open it. Let's open it in the new tab. Then I will also open the post in the new tab here so that you will be able to see the differences in the end. Let's go back to our blog post. To add the Affiliate X product comparison block, click on the Add Block icon. Look out for Affiliate X product comparison block. Here it is. Then you have to click on it. To customize the block, you will see various settings on your right hand side. But before we dive into the settings, let's add some content. Let's start by adding the image. To add in the image, you have to click on Upload Image option. Then you have to select the image of your choice. Click on Select. Now, add in the product title. If you hover your cursor around the Buy Now button, it gives you an option to add in the affiliate link. For now, I'm going to add the link to our site Craft Plugins. We highly recommend you to enable these two options if you are redirecting to an affiliate link. If you wish to change the label of your Buy Now button, then you can remove the label that is already here and add in the label of your choice. I'm okay with the label that is already here, which is why I will not change it. Then, following the same process, you can add in more products. Click on Upload Image. Select the image of your choice, click on Select, add in the product title, add in the link, and you can also add in or edit the ribbon text. If you wish to add in more products, you have to click on the add icon, then you can add in more products. Now, you can start adding the specifications. Enter the title here, then you can fill in the specifications for these products. If you want to add more specifications, then click on the add icon here. Then you have to follow the same process. Following the same process, I have added more specifications. If you want to add yes or no specifications, like for example, if you want to add in water resistant yes or no, then you can also do that. So let's add in the title first here. Simply click inside the specification box, then you will find tick marks and cross icons that you can make use of. So for example, if this particular product is water resistant, then you can select the check icon. Similarly, if this product is not water resistant, then you can select the cross icon. Also, if you want to remove any of the products that you have already added, you simply have to click on the delete icon here, which will then delete the product that you have added. Finally, you can set the prices for the products that you have added. You have to simply edit the price. Now, we will go to the settings. So select the block here, which will reveal various settings for the product comparison block. Starting with general settings, you have a bunch of options here, like you can enable or disable the ribbons. By disabling or enabling the toggle, you can disable or enable the images. You can disable or enable the title, prices, as well as the ratings. Then you can also add in the box shadow. Click on the None buttons. Then you have to enable it first, which allows you to select the color of your choice. After you have selected the color, you can click on Adjust. Then you can make various adjustments with the help of the additional settings. If you do not wish to add the box shadow, you can simply click on the reset icon. Already, a slight shadow has already been applied to the box here. I'm going to reset this option back to default. Then you get the button settings. With the help of this option, you will be able to enable or disable the Buy Now buttons. You can enable or disable the icons. Further, you can also select the button icon. So instead of this icon here, if you wish to add in something else, let's say this button for example, then you can select this icon by simply clicking on it, which will then be applied to all of the buttons. I'm going to go with the default icon that was already here. Then you can also select the icon alignment from left to right. You can also add in some padding and margin to your buttons. Next, we have the border settings. If you want to add the border to the table here, select the border style from here. Then you can select the color from here. Just like with the rest of the color settings in our Affiliate X blocks, you have to select the color from the palette. You can move around the pointer. Then you can also select the shade from here, or you can directly add in the hex value. Then you can also select the border width. So instead of 1, you can add in 3 or 5 as per your choice. Then click on the lock icon, which will apply the same value across all directions, and the border has also been applied. If you want to reset the setting, then you can always click on the reset icon. Similarly, you can also set the border radius. Under colors, you can set colors for various components of your product comparison block. You can select, add and readjust the colors as per your wish. So let's say you want to change the alternate table row color. You can click here. Then you can select from the color palette here. You can set the tone by moving around the pointer. Or if you have a hex value that you want to add, then you can directly add in the hex value. In a similar way, you can change colors for other components. Like let's say for example, you want to add in the background color. Then you can select the background color from here. Following the same process, you can change the colors for the rest of the components. Under typography, you can select the font family, the font style, as well as set the font size, line height and letter spacing for various components of your Affiliate X product comparison block. For now, I want to change the font size for the title and the content of the table. So click here and I want to increase the font size to maybe 21. And I will set the same size for the content as well. It looks fine for now. If any changes are to be made, we can always come back and make the required changes. Then under spacing, you have various space settings that you can adjust as per various devices. When you are done with all of the settings, you can click on Update. Now go back to the blog post that we opened earlier in the beginning and give it a refresh. And here is your Affiliate X product comparison block. If there are any questions, if you do not understand anything, please do let me know in the comment section below, or you can always reach out to our support team. I have added the link to creating support ticket in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in our next video.